Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Today we are in a very beautiful place. This place is famous for the white sand, the pristine turquoise water and the unique underwater marine life. Yes, we are in Maldives. Now let me tell you how to reach to this beautiful destination. Once you reach the international airport of Malé, that is the Vilhena International Airport, ये एयरपोर्ट के पास ही ये पोर्ट है, द सी पोर्ट। यहाँ से आप लोग स्पीड बोट लेके अपने अपने रिजॉर्ट्स में जा सकते हैं। अगर आपका रिजॉर्ट या होटल बहुत पास में नज़दीक में है एयरपोर्ट के, तो यहाँ से दी स्पीड बोट्स दे टेक यू टू देयर पर्टिकुलर रिजॉर्ट। बट हमारा रिजॉर्ट थोड़ा से दूर है, सो वी हैव टेकन द डोमेस्टिक फ्लाइट विच हैज़ बिन प्रोवाइडेड फ्रॉम द रिजॉर्ट इटसेल्फ। हमारा जो रिजॉर्ट है ये एक आइलैंड में है, एक पूरा आइलैंड में वो रिजॉर्ट है। एंड देन दैट वी आर टेकिंग दी domestic flight. So the representative of the resort will guide you accordingly from the international airport, and they will take you along टू द रिजॉर्ट। सो कोई हैसल नहीं है, हमारा लगेज का भी टेक केयर किया जा सकता है। सो दे टेक केयर ऑफ आवर लगेज फ्रॉम दी डोमेस्टिक। यहाँ से हम लोग का लगेज सीधा रिजॉर्ट तक पहुंच जाएगा, बस वी हैव टू जस्ट बोर्ड द डोमेस्टिक फ्लाइट। ये डोमेस्टिक फ्लाइट भी हम जिस रिजॉर्ट में रह रहे हैं उन लोगों का ही है। सो बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी बिग रिजॉर्ट वे वी आर गोइंग टुडे, सो उन लोग का अपना फ्लाइट है एंड दे हैव वेलकम्ड अस विद वेट टिश्यूज एंड चॉकलेट्स एंड ऑल। इट्स अ वेरी वेल warm welcome and we've really liked it. अभी हम लोग we have started our journey, or look at this, how beautiful it looks from above. ये हमारा 25 minutes का journey है and after 25 minutes we will reach the their airport, which is just near to the resort, और वहाँ से फिर हमें speed boat से लेके जाया जाएगा to the resort. Look at the sunset, it was so nice. और ये है हमारा resort, ये जो बड़ा वाला जो island, the big island is our resort where we will be staying for next few days. So after 25 minutes of journey we have landed and this is the airport. From here they'll take us in a van. This drive is another 5 minutes in the van. So after 5 minutes of drive in the van we reach a place where the speedboat takes us to the resort, where we are going to stay for the next few days. So this speedboat journey is a beautiful experience, I must say. So let's start it off. We are in a very beautiful property in Maldives today, one of the largest property in Maldives, which is itself is in one island. It's in an island which the name of the property is Villa Park Sun Island. So Villa Park Sun Island में हम अभी देखेंगे इस resort go. We will have a tour of the resort. Now I will be checking in, and before that let me tell you they have 466 rooms, out of which they have different categories of rooms like beach villa, lagoon villa, deluxe pool villa, and then there are 70 water villas also. So in the 70 water villas they have 4 suite water villas. So we will be showing you all the different categories of room, and we'll also show you the entire property. They have about 8 different restaurants and bar, along with a beautiful orchid garden, and then they have this kids club. There is also a very nice place where there are birds kept. So it's a bird park like. So I'll show you around the entire hotel. Please watch the video till the end so that you can see the entire property, because it's a huge big property. This video is going to be a little long one, but I can assure you you'll love the video. It will give you the proper information of the entire resort. you'll come to know what are the things available in this resort. So let's check in now. This is their huge reception area where people can comfortably sit, and they welcome their guests with a refreshing mocktail and some wet towels to freshen up yourselves, which was very much required after this journey. And a representative of theirs will sit with you and will tell you about the property, and will also share their numbers so that you all do not have any problem during your stay in this resort.
So we came from this way. Right now we are in number 15. This is reception lobby. Reception will operate 24 hours. You can see that is the reception. So as is our restaurant number 21. This is Mania restaurant, which is over there. This is like your identity card in the resort. When you go and buy something, when you go and drink something, you don't have to pay money right there. You can pay all the bills one day before the departure from the cash counter. You can pay either by cash or by card, that will be fine. So you can see there is two different cards, right? So one is for all-inclusive, one is for full board. So full board means you are entitled to have only breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast will start from 7:30 to 10, lunch will be 12:30 to 2, and dinner will be 7 to 9, which will be only served in number 21, which is Mania restaurant. As we have many a la carte restaurants like Italian restaurant, Zero restaurant, Southern Star. In case if you want to go to another restaurant, it will be chargeable.
For all inclusive also?
For all the guests, yes. And you have to do the prior reservations. So all inclusive. All inclusive you can use from the main restaurant when you go for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Main bar, which is over there. Every evening we'll have the entertainment program from 9:30, like a fire show, live music will be there from the main bar. Coffee shop will be over there, and the beach bar will be end of the island. This is our beach bar. When you go to this place, you can ask them to give the menu for all inclusive, so you can choose from the menu. Because in all inclusive, everything is not entitled. There are some selected drinks which are included in all inclusive. Yeah. Do you know how to go for snorkeling?
Yeah, we had done ballet.
So snorkeling, we have the snorkeling equipment like fins and mask, which you can get it from diving center. This is only for the all inclusive guests. Yeah.
That's free?
Yeah, you can you can get it from the diving center.
But that is free, of course. It's
Yes,
in the
snorkeling gears will be included for all.
It is free. Gears. No, people will go. The gears are, otherwise the gears are chargeable. But
When the gears are
inclusive for connect.
Yeah. And from the water sports, canoeing and windsurfing is included if you know how to do it for 1 hour every day. So normally
Snorkeling, only the gears are complimentary, or the
only the
diving?
gears are
Okay, but the divings and all you have to pay.
chargeable. Yes. We do have stingray feeding at this point at 6:30 p.m. We do have the stingray feeding. This is our Thai restaurant. We do have the shark feeding the same time at 6:30 p.m. Yes. Before you go for the swimming, please double check the map where you can swim and where you cannot swim. It's really important to know. There are some hotel policies which is mentioned here.
From the reception, you get such buggies. So these buggies take you to your room. So whenever you have your requirement to go to the room or come back from the room, you just need to give a call in the reception for buggy services, and they drop you in the room or pick you up from the room. So we have reached our room. My room number is 250. This is a deluxe pool villa, which is a private pool we have in the villa itself. Here we are going to stay for next 2 nights. So 2 nights we will stay in the deluxe pool villa, and next the other 2 nights, since we are staying 4 nights here, so other 2 nights we'll stay in the water villa. So let me show you our villa. So this is the private pool that we have in front, and let us enter the room now. ये सबसे हाईएस्ट कैटेगरी है ये रूम, विच इज़ कॉल्ड द डिलक्स पूल विला, विच हैज़ अ डबल बेड. और सिंस मेरे साथ मेरी बेटी भी है, सो एक एक्स्ट्रा बेड भी लगा दिया गया है. एंड देन अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर इज़ अ बिग टेलीविजन. देयर इज़ अ नाइस स्टडी आउट हियर. दिस इज़ अ nice study. This is a big closet actually. This is a closet which has hangers and bathrobes, iron board. towels are also kept here. So there are a lot of space where you can keep your things and all. There's a safety locker. There's a safety locker. Then there are laundry bags and all. There are slippers. These are the beach slippers. This is a nice place where you can do your makeup and all. And then all the necessary amenities are also provided in this room, along with a lot of like hair dryer and little space and all. You can have a lot of space out here. There's a nice long mirror. See how the room looks like. So there's a nice sitting area also where you can sit, and in front, now it's evening. कल मैं दिखा दूंगी आप लोगों को कि कैसा होता है बाहर का व्यू दिन में. And then there is a tea and coffee machine out here. So this is there, and then you can make your electric kettle is there. There is a since we are into all inclusive, so इसमें wine वगैरह भी free है, drinks, soft drinks and all these things are all complimentary with complimentary water bottles and all. So this is another good thing that they have included. You don't have to pay for it. And then this is the mini bar, which also has few complimentary things there and all. And these are some space. So this is how the room looks like. It's a beautiful room, very nice, and this is a nice table that they have. Now let me go and show you the washroom. यहाँ का washroom मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. They have jacuzzi also, but I did not opt for that room. So jacuzzi I didn't want, so that's why I didn't take it. ये देखिए एक अच्छा सा mirror वाला. This is the tap, hanging tap. Then this is the shower area, which is a closed area, so that आराम से inside में shower you can use. Then this is another. साथ में ही है ऐसे करके. 2 people can use simultaneously अगर आप लोगों को use करना है taps and all. Then this is an open shower area. यहाँ पे आप लोग shower ले सकते हैं after your swimming and all. So आप लोग जब there is a connect from the swimming pool or from the beach to this open shower area. ये है दरवाज़ा जो कि अंदर से आप लॉक कर सकते हैं, and then you can go through. वो एरिया भी मैं आपको दिखा दूँगी कैसे करके एंटर कर सकते हैं. And this is a nice sitting area in front of the pool where you can sit and have coffee. This is the best part of this villa, that the pool से उतरते ही you can see the beach. It's such a beautiful view. I can just cannot express in words how I am feeling now. It's a very, very beautiful feeling. And look at this, how beautiful it is. The color of the sky, the color of the water, the turquoise blue water. So this way you can go from the beach to the villa, to your villa, or to the swimming pool. यहाँ से फिर आप लोग बाहर से जाके, you don't have to enter the room. There is a outside door which leads you to the open shower जो मैंने पहले दिखाया था आप लोगों को. So यहाँ से होके we can go to the open shower area, और यहाँ से you can have your shower and then you can enter the room. मौसम भी बहुत अच्छा है. हल्की हल्की सी बारिश थी सुबह से, और अच्छा व्यू है ना. सुबह से मैं यही देखे जा रही हूँ एंड नाउ इट्स माय ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम सो चलिए अभी ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं. So whenever we have to go out, we can just call for the buggy services. This is the buggy service that they are providing everywhere in the resort. So आप लोग just एक call करके reception में buggy मंगवा सकते हैं and the buggy comes within 5 minutes to your room and they take you to the place where you want to go. So now we are going for the breakfast and this is the Manya restaurant where the breakfast is laid out. It's a huge spread of breakfast. If you want to see the vlog of this breakfast, you can log on to my YouTube channel Danisha's Cookbook. That is another चैनल ऑफ माइन. इसका लिंक मैंने दे दिया है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, आप लोग देख सकते हैं और वहाँ पे मैं इसको अपलोड करूँगी. सो वट एवर वी ट्राइड एंड ऑल आउट देयर एंड दीज आर सम कॉन्टिनेंटल एंड इंडियन एंड चाइनीज फूड. देयर इज़ अ मिक्स ऑफ वैरायटी ऑफ food starting from fruits to dessert. मेन को सब कुछ ही है यहाँ पे. So my kids are actually loving it and enjoying it the most. So after the breakfast, we have come back to our room and we have decided to explore the beach, which is just near our villa. So ये काफ़ी सुंदर सा beach है and my kids they love to be in the water. So I call them water babies and उन लोगों को थोड़ा सा लेके आई हूँ और we are enjoying in the pool also. I'm a little hesitant in getting into the pool because I'm not a good swimmer, but my kids they really enjoyed it. Maldives is a place where people normally come to relax and have some very good time with their friends and family. There are various spots in this resort where you can click pictures and share with them later on. We also came down to this place to celebrate our 18th anniversary, and this resort has made our anniversary so very special with so many surprises, starting from a cake and wine, and then decorating our room, and then also decorating our dinner table and offering us some complimentary dishes like crab and all, which are my special. So let me show you a little what they have done for us to make it so very special.
Songs for you.
Thank you.
I found love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew the world had someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I wanna give you this time, but darling, just kiss me slow.
After spending 2 very comfortable nights in the beach villa, now we are heading towards the water villa. There are 70 water villas out here, out of which 4 are the suite villas, and we are heading towards, these are some places where you can see some decorations and all these anniversaries or wedding celebrations happening. So these type of buggies, they take our luggages to the room, and we comfortably walk to our rooms. So these are the water villas, and so now let's enter our villa. This is the water villa, and television out here. This is the mini bar. It's all packed with soft drinks and all. This is a small tea coffee station, and there are bottles of water, which they give 4 bottles of water every day per room, and these are all complimentary, whatever you can see in the room. So this is how it looks. This is a closet. So this is a small sitting area. There's an extra bed which I have taken for my daughter. So I have an elder daughter. So otherwise it's a 2 bedroom villa. To the balcony. This is the balcony, and this is the mesmerizing view. So the villas are adjacent. You can sit here and this is what it is. This is all about the. So now let me show you the washroom. This is the washroom. It has a bathtub with all the necessary amenities. Everything is stocked so nicely, fully stocked. These are towels. There's a slider you can open and get the view. So from the washroom there is another door which leads you to the ocean. So you can go down to the steps and then have a swim in the ocean and come back to the washroom, have a shower and enter the room. Even there is an outlet from the ocean towards the balcony. So from the ocean towards the balcony, you can have a swim and go towards the balcony and sit here and relax, so without spoiling your room. So now let me show you the 360-degree view of the room. This is the 360-degree view of the room. This is all about this room. Now let's head towards the other things or the other activities that we can do in the resort. So I've shown you the rooms. Now let's head towards the other activities. I have Pratima with me.
Hello.
She has been working with Villa Park Sand Island for how long?
It's been 4 years.
She's been 4 years in this resort, and today she'll be taking us along for a island tour. So this Villa Park resort itself is a huge resort. This entire island is the resort. So she'll be guiding us. So keep on, let's move. And this is the first place that you have brought
We
us
are
to?
right now in the water sports. Okay. And I'll just explain you some of the things about the water sports.
These places are being stocked with different types of gears that are required for water activities. So there are different types of water activities that we can do, like canoeing and surfing and all, which is complimentary for the all-inclusive guests. Apart from that, there are many other activities which they show you a chart and all, and then they explain it to you what other activities that you can do. So these are the water scooters you can see, and this is the beach bar. So here you can relax in the bar after your activities out here, or even you can sit there and enjoy seeing people doing canoeing and water surfing. And There are so many other activities which they have a pamphlet or booklet of this. Family special rates are also there for families if you did together. And the snorkeling that we did was just amazing, where we could see the fishes and everything under the water. Going under the water was a different type of an experience. This zero restaurant is made for the people who love to dine in the woods or in the greenery. And actually, at this moment, it is under renovation, so it is not working. This restaurant is not working, but we have come to see it is. A nice different concept restaurant which is very adventurous and full of greenery around, and to dine in such a place is a different type of adventure. So this is a nice palm tree view where you can walk down, and the entire resort is full of greenery, and it is so beautifully done. On the just It's near the reception. On the left hand side is the coffee shop, which is really good during the to see the sunset. And here live band music are being played in the evening hours, so it gives a different type of an atmosphere altogether. And on the right hand side is the swimming pool, the main swimming pool. So this will lead us to another restaurant, which is the Italian restaurant.
This is a la carte restaurant.
The outside view is so mesmerizing. See? This is another bar that they have. It's a small little bar, and it's like a garden bar. What is the name of this bar?
The gold bar, ma'am. Yeah.
Oh, that's the golf bar, right? Heard about this, but haven't tried out here. So, can I get a watermelon juice? Chilled one. It's all inclusive. See, such a beautiful, it's like a restaurant. It's around 6:30 p.m. now, and it's the time for the shark feeding. So ये resort अभी shark feeding करते हैं, and look at this. What do you feed them?
It's fish.
Fish. Okay, different type of fishes. So these are the food for the sharks. This is the time for shark feeding. Oh. So people staying in the resort come during this time to see the sharks being fed, because all the sharks, lot of sharks comes here. And you can even see there is a Thai restaurant near the this shark feeding area. This is the Thai restaurant which got a very beautiful sunset view. So this is a very romantic place where you can come and have your dinner out here. It's an a la carte restaurant, just like the Italian restaurant. So you can see even turtles moving around this way, especially during the sunset time they come, because the resort feeds these water animals that time. So they also come to have some food. From this Thai restaurant, now let me take you to the Manya restaurant. This is the main restaurant where I have brought you in one of the breakfast times. So here the lunch, breakfast and dinner, everything is served for all the guests. Even for full board, or it's a buffet breakfast or lunch or dinner. Everything is there's a huge spread of food. This is the lunchtime, and the lambs were so fabulous. All the food is, especially the food out here, is just amazing. After this, I'm taking you to another restaurant which is near the water villa, which is called the Sudden Restaurant. And in this Sudden Restaurant also, the food layout is for all the guests. That is, the buffet lunch, breakfast and dinner is also served out here. Now it's dinner time, so let me show you a little bit of the layout of their dinner in this Sudden Restaurant. This also has a variety of items, so I will not be able to show you all the items, but yes, of course, I'll be showing you a few of them. The Arabic chicken, oh my god, it looks so yum. The food of this entire resort is so amazing everywhere. I've been trying in all the restaurants, one after the other. This is palak beef tomato. This is spicy chicken biryani. And this is fish don riha. Okay. This is a meatloaf. So this is, what meat is it?
This is a mixed meat.
These are some lovely desserts. My daughters have enjoyed the desserts so much. We have a variety of desserts out here, and it not only looks good, it tastes also yum. Too good. And you will not see pork out here, only beef or chicken and fish, right? Thank you. Now let me enjoy the dinner. My friends and my family is waiting. During the sunset, around about 6 p.m., the stingrays are being fed near the Sudden Restaurant. So a lot of stingrays come near the shore, and the shore is full of the guests of the hotel. The guests of the hotel, they come to see the stingrays, and look how beautifully they are swimming around. So, ma'am, we've come to see your spa, and so show us what you all have in your spa.
This
Just
is
explain.
our menu.
Okay.
The menu starts over here, and this is the current promotion running right now,
Okay.
which includes a full body massage, full body scrub, including steam and jacuzzi.
Oh, beautiful. Chalo, let's go in. Check out.
Right.
Today in this video I won't be able to cover the entire spa, so in my next video I'll be uploading the entire thing of the spa, because it's a largest spa. I'll show you the spa all around in my next video.
So here is our main reception, spa
Okay.
reception,
This is the main reception.
and that's the relaxing area.
Okay, let me just take a video of all the place. This is the largest spa in Maldives, so I'll properly show you the entire spa in my next video, so keep watching.
Pot tub bath.
Yeah.
But I will show you the pot tub,
Okay.
but it's not decorated as we see in the pictures.
Okay.
But I can show you the space.
Yeah. That will at least help our guests to know. So many subscribers have been watching this video now, so they'll come to know how is your spa. A different kind. I've been to so many spa, but this spa is really, really unique. Lovely. Oh my god. Oh, to have a bath out here will be amazing. Oh, this is lovely. There's something so natural. In the woods. Bath in the woods.
Yes. And you can hear the sound of the sea also.
Yeah. And the sound of the sea is so soothing to the ears.
It's like 30 minutes you can relax over
Meditation.
here. Yes.
You go into meditation.
And also this bath is really good for health. It's just not a fancy bath.
Ah,
We are using 5 different herbs to boil the water.
okay.
I'll show you the herbs.
Okay.
So these are the 5 herbs that we boil for 1 hour
Okay.
to put it in the pot tub.
Oh, that tub that we had seen just
Yes.
now in the nature.
Yeah. And underneath there will be fire also in the pot tub.
Oh
Yeah.
my god, that's a hot water bath.
Yes.
Oh, lovely.
This is a changing area for the pot tub.
So after a relaxing spa, we took a cycle ride. You get bicycles like this where you can take on rent for the day, whole day, and you can go around the resort. Now we are heading towards the main swimming pool. Here you can swim, and as well as you can enjoy your drinks. If you are in an all-inclusive plan, you get your drinks complimentary. That's unlimited amount of drinks that you can get. And have your food also. There's a restaurant out here. It's a restaurant, right? It's a bar cum restaurant. So you can enjoy the food out here and your drinks. And this pool looks amazing. It's a huge big pool. So we also enjoyed in this pool. And apart from this adult pool, this is a bigger pool where the adults can enjoy their swimming. There is a small pool for the kids. The next place that I'm going to show is very, very important for parents who wants to keep their kids busy and have some me time, or want to explore the resort. They can keep their kids. The kids can be here from morning. There starts at 10 o'clock till evening. Late evening you can keep here till 10 o'clock. So there are many activities during the day that you can even keep them for an hour or two or for the whole day. So there are pizza making thing. They teach you some science classes are there. Then swimming is there. Then they can even, there is a chat for it. So at the evening hours there is disco party, and then you can even bring your small babies and keep them here. There are nannies to take care of them. So some extra charges are being taken for very small kids who has to be taken care of. Otherwise, if you do not require a nanny, no extra charges are being required. So this is another room where kids are enjoying movie time, and This is the place for the adults, the sport lovers. So people who are into sports and who loves to play and all. These are outdoor activities you can do, like these are lawn tennis is there. There is volleyball. There is badminton, and all these different type of courts have been built. So you all can come and play. And these rackets and all the different equipments that you require to play, like balls and all, are kept in there is an office where you can go and collect them, and you can play, and after you play you can just submit it. So apart from these outdoor activities, now I'll take you to that place where there are indoor activities also, like indoor games are also being played, like chess and then table tennis and all. So this is a very nice place where sport lovers can also have their own, because people staying out here, they like to do some gym and all. There is a gym also, which I'm not being able to cover it now. This is the office that I was talking about, and then this is a jewelry shop. There are shops like this all over. Okay, this is the snooker table. So this is the indoor games. As I said, there are various indoor games, and there is different type of stores. You can buy gifts and all for your relatives and all. There are inside there are many stores out here, jewelry stores, apart from that clothes and all. And there's a small library also. This is the reception area. So I'm showing the 360-degree reception area now, and from here I'll take you to the different types of activities that are being held in the evening hours, like music and all. So let's check it out.
A very big hello to all the beautiful people out here. I am Danisha Chakravarti and I am from India.
I need you guys to appreciate.
I participated in the fashion show organized by the resort Villa Park, and it was an amazing experience. And getting a place in the top six among such beautiful ladies from the different parts of the world was such a mind blowing feeling, I must say. This makes me realize that are never too late to do anything, and age is just a number.
The announcements of the top six. The lady with the white smile. How beautiful. Congratulations to you. Here we have our top six of Lamita Fashion Show, and one more time they are going to give.
Especially during the weekends, there are fire shows, and then there are DJ nights. So there are a lot of other activities which the resort keeps on doing all throughout the week. Even during the daytime, in the morning hours, there were yoga sessions and all, which I couldn't cover as I was busy with the evening activities. So getting up early in the morning was difficult, so I couldn't cover that part. But there are so many activities that the resort keeps you busy with, so you don't get bored. And I stayed here for 5 days, but I think whenever you come, you should come for a longer, like for one full week, because this place has various things to offer. And after this, I will take you after the DJ. This is the DJ session, which we really enjoyed the DJ session also. And now I'm taking you to this is the orchid garden. So there's a small orchid garden, and lovely orchids have been planted. And there is something very different thing I have seen. The orchids have been, planted in the shells of coconut shells. So I think this is another unique thing that I've learn from them. And there is as I said, there is a bird park. So there are various types of birds out here, starting from ducks to pigeons and parrots, and these are different types of these are swans and all. And then this is a peacock. So there are variety types of birds. It's a nice place for people who love to watch bird. And so there is another place where the plantations are done. So their organic farming is done, like exotic vegetables and fruits. They plant it in their resort itself. There's a place where they plant their exotic fruits and vegetables and feed their guests. So on this note, I come to the end of this video, and it was such an amazing experience out here in Villa Park. And as I go, there is a very sweet goodbye from Villa Park, Sun Island. See how sweetly they say that, see you soon. Yes, Villa Park, I'll see you soon. And on this note, I sign out for today. Hope you have liked this video, and if you have liked this video of mine, please do not go away without pressing the like button and share. And if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe and keep watching. मिलते हैं बहुत ही जल्दी एक नया वीडियो लेके. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड बाय.